Yo, what's up guys? Andy here with another episode of Tap Lab, and in this video we're going to be talking about how to use Amazon within the Snapchat app. So Snapchat has added a feature where you can scan products now. So if you see something out in the wild, maybe someone's wearing a t-shirt, maybe someone has a camera or some shoes, you can now scan those and it will open up the product on Amazon. So this is interesting because it's another revenue source for Snapchat. For example, if I scan something and then I buy it through the link that they show me, Snapchat will be getting affiliate revenue for whoever buys through their link. So let's go ahead and scan this. All you need to do is have your Snapchat camera open here on the camera screen and finger on the screen on the product. So you can see after a few seconds it picks this up and it's giving me cameras. So it knows this is a camera, but this is a GoPro Hero 7 Black, and you can see that it couldn't figure out what camera that is. That's unfortunate. So there's probably a little bit of work to do within the software to like make it actually good, make it actually know what items are, because right now it doesn't seem to know very well. If it was one of these three options, you can tap on that and it'll go directly to the product, and then you would purchase it on Amazon. Or down here on the bottom, you can tap see all results on Amazon. So basically it just opens up Amazon in a web browser. And then you can see all of the items that Snapchat thinks you scanned. Unfortunately, GoPro is nowhere to be found on this page. So like I said, software is kind of crappy at this point, but it's the first version. I would imagine that they improved that. So another thing to note about this, you can use the same feature. If I hold down, you can like Shazam and a few other things I forget off the top of my head. However, like when you do a song or a Shazam, those you can go into your settings and see all the songs that you've Shazammed. So it's saving that data, but when you product, it's not anywhere yet. So maybe it'll do that in the future. Let's go ahead and do this with a different item. So this is a shoe. It's pretty recognizable, I think. This is a Zero shoe. It did find that it's a shoe, but it didn't come up with the proper shoe. That's pretty unfortunate. I mean, this is a pretty recognizable shoe. It's got the bright yellows and stuff like that to show you how recognizable it is within Amazon. So Amazon Zero shoe, there's the shoe right there on the screen. So it's surprising to me that it can't pick up the exact products yet. But there you have it, how to use the Amazon scan feature within Snapchat. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Be sure to drop a comment down below if you have any questions. I will try and answer those. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, turn on post notifications, all that good stuff. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.